Alright guys, doing a quick little Memorial Day update here on from the Fox Shop. Hope you're all having a good Memorial Day, being safe and all that kind of thing. I know there's a lot of celebrations going on. I don't know what Jesse's doing. Let's take a look. Not sure what she decided to go out here after. Nice day here in central Iowa. Upper 70s, hardly any wind. Oh, car went by. So who knows where Jesse went to. You might pick up just a little bit of wind noise. I'm not sure on, I'm just doing this on my phone, so I'm not sure how that does. But here she comes. Not sure where Buddy is. He must be up in the house with Jody. But anyway, guys, I am not doing a whole lot today. Need to mow the yard. I want to mow the yard tomorrow. Been out spraying some fields and stuff, and my dad and my uncle have, and doing more of that. Doing more of that the rest of the week, I believe. But I'm gonna fire this girl up. John Deere X 734 lawn tractor here with a trailer on behind it. I got some stuff up by the house I need to haul out to the burn pile, and I'm gonna take you with me. So got this actually, I didn't buy this brand new. This was actually my uncle's. It's only, I think, 2 or 3 years old. It's only got 273 hours on it. It is missing this sticker over here on this side. And I looked that up. You can get those for like 20 bucks. So I might do that. I don't know. Not a big deal, but I'm gonna go up to the house. I got some stuff I want to haul out to the burn pile. Check this out. Got all digital dash. I'm a little low on fuel, but it's 3 bars up. We're good to go. So we're gonna fire this up. Just gonna take you along here on a little ride on what I'm doing, and also talk about the Bronco here in just a second. Got to go up and get some things by the house. Truck's out of the shop. I've been driving it quite a bit. Probably getting some wind noise now. I'm not going very fast here, but she's been running good. Got a couple old blankets up here by the house I want to load up on this trailer. Some pillows. Got a bunch of pillows up there on the porch from an old couch that they need to get out of there. They need to go bye-bye. Thought about having a fire tonight. I don't know if that's gonna happen or not, but yeah, let's get up here. Let's get turned around. 4-wheel steer. I turned a little short there, but alright, hold on guys. I'm gonna try to do this uncut. I don't know if I can or not, but just got a couple old blankets up here. These things, they've been sitting out here for a long time. Time to get rid of them. Throw them on there. Put them out on the burn pile. I'm gonna go get these pillows up here on the porch. This old porch. This house is 100 and let's see, what is it? 100 and I don't know, 115, 120 years old. This porch needs redone. That's something I've been wanting to do for several years, but price of lumber right now is horribly high. But I'm gonna grab these pillows off here, throw them on the trailer. Well, got 2 of them here. There's about 4 or 5 more to go. Just get rid of those things. Been sitting up there. Something I've been wanting to get rid of for a long time. There's Jody. Get rid of all this stuff. 2 more. And I think there's a couple more. Not sure what. That's something Jill used to have for sitting on the couch and playing video games and such. Throw that on there. What are you doing, dum-dums? I think there's a couple more things up here I need to get. Got plates out here from leftovers for the dogs that we bring out here, but an old rug. This thing. Just get them out of here. Time to clean up a little bit. Pulled all the bushes out up here. I think we're going to, well, I sprayed all this, let that all die, dig it all up, and I think we're gonna just plant rose bushes up here. Old dog toys, and another old pillow. Get rid of that. So I think we're just gonna plant rose bushes all up around in here. Right, Jess? You don't care. Like this one, that's actually Jill's. That's Jill's rose bush. Finally starting to bloom a little bit, and just thinking about planting a whole bunch of those all out around in here. But I'm gonna take this out to the burn pile. I'm gonna take you with me, so hold on, I gotta get back on this thing. Try to make this a little speedy. Alright, might get a little loud. I'm gonna rev it up a little more. Yeah, we'll just cut across here. Spray all this out here. It grows up into weeds, but haven't done that yet. Now, let's see. I'll just pull up into here, turn around. Turning too short again. Okay, I know that was probably a little loud. That's Dad's disc ripper there. He keeps it over here, but anyway, we got all kinds of stuff out here. We really need to burn this, bury it or something, I don't know. But it's pretty much out of sight, out of mind, and a lot of people have burn piles around here, so this probably isn't turning out very good. I'm just throwing stuff up on here. Okay, that's pretty much it, except these two guys. Get rid of those. And we're out of here. I'm gonna take you over to the old shop, right over there. Talk about the Bronco here. Hold on. Really like this mower. It's a lot better than my other one because the deck down there is about twice as deep, so you can mow. Hold on. Get some really tall grass, especially, well, you can't see it now, but really tall grass, it mows a lot better. You can go faster, it doesn't ball up like the other one did. What you doing, Jessie girl? Okay, so here we are at the old shop. Shut this thing off. As far as what's going on with the Bronco, if you've been following along, let me turn the light on in here. Not that it makes a whole lot of difference, but if you've been following along, you know this is mine now. She does have a flat tire. I gotta get that pumped up. We're gonna pull this out of here. Whole bunch of stuff in the back end of this thing. And get that all cleaned out. probably just pull it up to the house and get it all cleaned up, because to get it started, one, I don't have a battery for it at the moment, and two, there's some grounds on here. You have to ground a bunch of things to get it to start, and honestly I don't remember what all those are. I'd have to look back on my past video, but probably pull this up to the house, get it all washed off, get it good and clean. Probably gonna have to re-paper the windshield and try not to get the interior too wet, but just get it all cleaned off. She needs a bath bad. She's been sitting down here for a long time. And then, I mean, it's primered. It needs, just get her scuffed up and then get all that cleaned off, and she's ready to be painted. And I think I'm probably going to do that here before too long. Probably this next month we're going to get the Bronco painted. So that's what's going on with the Bronco. I know I haven't been putting much out on this channel. Just not a lot going on. The weather hasn't been cooperating, but it seems to be turning around. Today is beautiful. Tomorrow is supposed to be even better. And well, there's Bud. Tomorrow's supposed to be even better, but tomorrow I am mowing the yard. And well, that's what I'm doing. The swimming pool, I can't hardly see, but the swimming pool over there, it's got a leak on a window. We can drive over there and take a look. I don't know if I can see where it's leaking or not. Hold on. This out here gets really long, and it gets hard to mow, but this mower seems to do a lot better than that other one I had. Anyway, here's the pool. And I guess they had problems with these darn things. Stupid windows in them. I don't know why they had to put windows in them in the first place. I tried sealing this up last year with a lot of Flex Seal, and it still leaked. What we're thinking about doing is, well, that looks good, doesn't it? Oh, kitty, you don't want to drink that. Thinking about draining this thing out and then getting a big piece of vinyl or something and just going clear over this window, maybe with a couple of them, flex sealing the whole thing or some kind of a sealant, and hoping that works. I don't know, maybe bring some water down here and see if I can figure out exactly where it's leaking at. But the darn thing, I wasted about 6,000 gallons of water last year trying to seal this up and get it working. But I think we can do it. It's not going to be pretty, but I think we can do it. These darn pools aren't cheap, so would like to get it going. But anyway, guys, that's what's going on here at the Fox Shop tonight. I think we're going to go. Not sure what's for supper. I think tacos or something, but take this back down to the shop. Yeah, the yard needs mowed. It's plenty long. It's just been kind of wet and cold, but tomorrow is supposed to be pretty warm tomorrow. Warm and sunny. That's what I'm doing tomorrow. Pull this back in here. Well, actually, I'm gonna want to pull my, now it's showing me my fuel's low, but actually, let's see, put the deck down. Actually, I'm going to want to pull my truck in here tonight, so I'm going to have to move that thing. But anyway,